Hello. In this video, we want to look at an application. A trailer rental firm charges a flat $8 to rent a hitch. The trailer itself is rented for $22 per day or fraction of a day. Let C of X represent the cost of renting a hitch and trailer for X days. Okay, so A, we want to graph C, B, find any values of X where C is discontinuous. So here's the thing. First, we want to graph this function. Now, here's the thing. There's a way that we can do this. C of X will be simply this. Let's say that you are renting this for the very first day. On the very first day, you're going to be charged that $22 and also that flat $8 to rent the hitch. Now, they're not charging you per day for the hitch. They're just charging you $8 period to have the hitch for as long as you need it. Now the question becomes, what happens here? Well, 8 plus 22 is $30. So if you only rent it for one day or a partial fraction of a day, you're getting charged $30. But notice that that's when 0 is less than or equal to X is less than or equal to 1. In other words, when X is between 0 and 1, including both endpoints. But notice if you keep it for any more than a single day, they're going to charge you another $22. So that means that the next day would charge you $52. And so that's if X is between 1, but 1 less than X and less than or equal to 2. Notice I can't say that it's equal to 1 because if it's exactly one day, they would only charge you $30. Let's say you kept it one more day. Well, the next day you would be charged another $22, which would make that $74. And you would keep it for 2 is less than X is less than or equal to 3. In other words, if it's more than 2 and less than or equal to 3 at the same time. And then you just keep going with this. So this is actually a piecewise defined function that just keeps going. So let's go ahead and graph this. It's actually $30 from 0 is less than or equal to X is less than or equal to 1. So I'm going to make this to be 30. So 30. And we're going to go right because we are going to just stay at 30 the entire time until X equaling 1. But notice that at X equal 1, we're going to go up $22. Sorry, up $22, which makes that $52. So $52, we're going to have an open circle there because at the $52, we're not actually equaling to 1, but we're getting as close to 1 as you can from the right-hand side there. And then you're going to go right until you reach the next one there. And then for the next one, which would be 74, we jump up with an open circle and then just keep going with this pattern. This is what we would call a stair-step pattern. What's that plus 22? 118? And plus 22 would be 130? No. 140. And so on and so forth. It just keeps going. So here would be our function, graphed. That's A. Letter B says find any values of X where C is discontinuous. Notice that anywhere where X equaling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth, this is in fact a discontinuous function. So C of X is discontinuous where X is any positive integer. Now I had to say positive integer because you can have negative integers. You can also have 0 as an integer. 0 is neither negative nor positive. So specifically, only positive integers would work. Now, a positive integer is what we call a natural number, just an FYI. A lot of people are not quite aware of that. So just be aware that if we ever need just 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth, that just means the natural numbers. Alrighty. Well, I believe that's it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and end it here, and I will see you in the next one. Have fun.